So today we're going to be talking about ankle bracelets, or they can also be used as wrist bracelets. So let's go on ahead. We opened the box already. It comes with 3 different types of ankle bracelets. They are in the color gold. They are super cute. So we have this first design, and they also have clamps, and it comes with like a little dangly diamond rhinestone at the end. Here's the second design. Same thing, the clasp. And it comes with that little rhinestone. And here's the last one. Super cute, super simple. You can wear these every single day if you like. Like I said and mentioned before, you can also use these on your wrist. Depends on where you want to use them. They do give you instruction on how to take care of these as well. So go ahead and give them a try.